Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset sound devices and volume settings for all apps in Windows 11. This can be useful if you're experiencing sound issues or want to start fresh with your audio configuration. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings tab. In the left-hand menu, select the System tab. And after that you have to choose the sound option to open audio settings. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the volume mixer option. And at the bottom of the page you have to click on the reset button next to reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. And then you have to confirm any prompts to apply the reset. To ensure the settings apply perfectly, make sure to restart your computer. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily reset sound devices and volume for all apps in Windows 11. This simple reset can help you resolve a lot of sound issues on your Windows device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.